Alright, I already started the solving portion here. My video died, of course. So just picking up where I left off. Inverse of e is ln x, inverse of ln x is e, so e to the ln x is just x equals 4. So when you have an e to the x, take the natural log of both sides, and the e goes away, and you're just left with x equals ln 12. Depending on what the answer is, you might need to rewrite this a couple different ways to find the answer. I think the directions here said find the decimal value, but we're not going to do that. When you have a problem where you have an equation, treat it just like you're solving for x, but you're solving for e to the x, and then you can move things. So we're going to move everything over, get e to the x by itself, and then right here is the step where you take the natural log of both sides. Now you could solve this one in your head. E to the 0 is 1, but this is a good way to see why the natural log of 1 is equal to 0, because e to the 0 equals 1. They're inverses that way. Okay, number 7, same kind of question. Divide both sides by 50. We have e to the negative x equals 3/5. Now I want to take the natural log of both sides. So that cancels out. Negative x equals natural log of 3/5, which you can divide by -1 or multiply by -1. X equals natural log of 3, or negative natural log of 3/5. Now you might see this written as negative natural log of 3 minus natural log of 5. Sometimes they give you the values for those, and you have to do it without a calculator. So that's just changing the form. Number 9, we need to get this e out of the denominator so that it's not covered up there. So we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator. 100 minus e to the x over 2. So that cancels out. 800 equals 5,000 minus 50 e to the x over 2. Same things you would do if you were solving in a regular way. So subtract 5,000. And take 4,200 divided by 50. So 84 equals e to the x over 2. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of 84 equals x over 2. So x equals natural log of 84 times 2. Sometimes you'll see the 2 up there. Oops, sometimes you'll see the 2 as an exponent. You either see it here or here using your log rules. Number 11, natural log of x equals to e x equals e squared. E squared is treated like pi. It's one of the top 10 numbers. You don't need to find a decimal value all the time. E square root of x plus 2 equals e. Square both sides. So x equals e squared minus 2. And if you go back to check your answer, e squared minus 2 plus 2 is just e squared. Square root of e squared is e. Natural log of e is 1. So it all checks out. Raise both sides. X minus 3 equals e squared. Add 3. That's it for the solving portion.